I'm Mitch Rosner, the EVP for UVA Health. Today I'm excited to introduce a new series called Beyond the Badge. Today, to start off the series, you'll meet Rudy Beverly. I think people would be really interested to learn a little bit more about what you do, your responsibilities. So maybe just start off and tell us a little bit about some of the things that you're really responsible for.
So, as manager of transportation and distribution services, it includes patient transport, equipment distribution, the health system fleet, and our shuttle service. We provide shuttle service for the employees and staff and patients going back and forth to all of our local facilities.
How many people a day do you think you serve with the shuttle?
So, we serve about 600 staff a day, about 1,400 total patients and staff and all.
Wow, that's incredible. Rudy, so we're in the equipment room right now. Tell us a little bit about what happens here, your role.
This is where we bring the equipment in to get cleaned, processed, and ready for redistribution. I've had the good fortune of being in this role for 12 years managing this, and I've seen the growth. Of course, with the new, more equipment, hospital getting larger, we're anticipating that growth to continue.
So, Rudy, I know you've had a really distinguished career here at UVA Health, and you've been recognized with some really important honors. Why don't you tell us just a little bit about that?
I was recognized in 2023 with the Deb Cox Award. Deb Cox was the first president of our national association, the National Association for Healthcare Transport Management. Certainly, the Martin Luther King Award was, I knew about that one because several people had said they were going to nominate me, but it was quite moving. I think it was the largest that year in 2021.
I know you're also active in our community, so tell me a little bit about that.
My mother and father taught me this. It was important to give back. And I've always had an interest in government and helping and supporting the community.
And you're a Sunday school teacher too.
Yes, yes. I was ordained deacon in 2012. Faith is a very important part of my life and certainly an important part of what keeps me grounded.
And in your free time, which is probably limited these days, given all the things that you do, tell us a little bit about what you like to do. What things are you passionate about?
In the free time that I do have, I love music. So rhythm and blues, jazz. I have a pretty extensive record collection. We go to Broadway shows, so been up to New York. We try to go at least once a year. Obviously, being a Wahoo, I am a big supporter of my football team.
One question I want to ask you is, given all that you do for UVA Health, maybe share some perspective on, what things you really are proud of. What things have you noticed that make UVA Health unique?
It is the fact that it takes a village to take care of our patients here, and the fact that I happen to have the good fortune of working with support staff that often go unnoticed, but it is the work that they do that makes it possible.
Really well said, and I think really gets to the crux of the Beyond the Badge series, which is really to show that it does take a village. It's a complex organization with so many people that are required to take care of our patients and families. And I think you really said it very eloquently. So thank you.
Thank
And
you.
thanks for sharing with us today.
I appreciate it. Thank you for asking.
Thanks.